Garden Academy. How to make musical instruments at home.
Yes,
yeah.
we're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
I want to play the guitar.
Oh, I want to play the drums.
Hello to everyone at home. Hello. We're very happy because today we're planning on forming a musical band.
Yeah! Would you like to play with us?
Yes.
What happened?
Oh no! We have a problem.
Oh.
All the instruments disappeared, guys. And now, how are we gonna form our own musical band?
I have an idea. We can. No. Yes, I know. What we can do is.
Yes.
Better not.
Oh, come on, Monty. Share your idea with us.
I know. How about we use some of the things we already have at home to create our own musical instruments?
Wow, genius! Yes! But what kind of things can we use as instruments?
I don't know.
Wow, I think we need some help.
Oh, yeah. Dear Learning Tree, do you think you can help us out today?
Feel free to pause the video at any time so you can look for all the things we're going to use to create our musical instruments. Wow, I don't understand. What do we need 2 plastic buckets for?
Well, if you flip them, you'll be able to play them as if they were drums.
Wow! I want to play this. I want to. Wow, Rose, you really know how to play those drums.
Yeah, that's right. She really does.
Is there another instrument we can make?
Another instrument, huh? I know. How about we make some maracas? All right. To make our maracas, we will need a plastic bottle, but make sure it's empty. And we'll need a few beans. Once you have the beans, put them inside the empty plastic bottle and it's done.
Wow! That sounds amazing, guys!
Hey, yeah. Hey, Margarita, what's wrong?
The thing is, you already have your own instruments, but I don't.
Oh, I see.
Who will be able to help us find an instrument for Margarita? The Learning Tree! That's a great idea! Learning Tree, do you think you could help us out?
Well, we are going to need 4 glass bottles.
Hey, Monty, what kind of instrument do you think it is?
I know. Why don't we add some water in each bottle?
Oh.
Make sure you vary the amounts of water in each bottle. And after using a wooden cooking spoon, you can go ahead and tap each bottle very gently. And Margarita, do you know which instrument you're going to be playing?
Yes! A xylophone! Yay! And now we are ready to play!
Did you create your own musical instruments at home?
Yeah! Then it's time we all play together!
Yes!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4! Let's celebrate! We're a team and we will celebrate! From our houses we learn how to play! It's so awesome to have fun! Garden Academy, pop, 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 hurrah! Garden Academy, pop, pop, pop,
Hello, Gardener Tim!
Huh? Oops! Hello, Gardener Tim!
Hello, everyone. I see you have made some new instruments using household items.
Yes, I made some drums using 2 plastic buckets. Just look.
And I made a maraca using an empty bottle and a few beans.
Yes, and I made a xylophone using bottles that we filled with water.
I love your creativity.
Well, the thing is, where are all the musical instruments? They disappeared.
No, they didn't disappear, children. I took them so I could clean them. They're right behind you. Do you want them?
I think we can use them later, right, guys?
Oh.
Yeah. And now we can use the instruments we just made.
Awesome! Congratulations! You learned how to make your own instruments using items from your own home. Yes!
And now we are all members of the greatest band on Earth, and it's called
Garden Academy!
Yeah! We'll see you on our next episode.
Yeah, goodbye!
Goodbye.
And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and...
Garden Academy. Pa 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 ra. And Garden Academy. Pa 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 ra.
Garden Academy.